you're experiencing issues with the Sims 4 update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then restart it. This can help clear any temporary issues that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other websites. Step 3. Run Origin as administrator. Right-click on the Origin shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the update to proceed without interruptions. Step 4. Clear Origin cache. Close Origin and navigate to the Origin cache folder. Delete the contents of the cache folder, then restart Origin and try updating The Sims 4 again. Step 5. Repair the game. Open Origin, go to your game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the update issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the update issue with The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.